Good evening everyone and maayong gabi ug maayo ang gabi sa tanan. Welcome to my channel. This is JoyBeans and it's a special vlog episode because I didn't do the usual thing that I do for today. But I decided that I'm gonna make do of what I promised you, and that is to create a vlog usually on weekends. So this is going to be on something that I'm also trying to experiment in preparation for my classes on August. So again, this is a special vlog episode. By the way, my name is Joy and this is Conversations with Joy. I belong to Generation X, but I have created many hashtags. Sabi nga, nakikimillennial. But I have bitten on this modern bug because I believe that it is powerful. It is concise, it is direct, and it's very succinct. Explaining one of my favorite hashtags. And I recently learned that not actually everybody realized what is the meaning of this hashtag. So let me explain a bit. JoyBeans is definitely a play of the name of my favorite research crop, as you can guess, soybeans. It is also actually a personal reminder for me to sow seeds of goodness whenever possible, although the perception of what is good really differs among people. So what is really JoyBeans? It is actually an acronym, and its meaning is this: Joy believes every day and never surrenders. So I try not to surrender on hope, on service, and on being a people farmer. I use so many hashtags actually, and these are some of them. So for tonight, what I'm going to be sharing would be on one of my favorite hashtags. I think it's very appropriate these days, and that is highlighted in red, and that reinventing food. The current pandemic actually made me more conscious of the food I prepare and eat. I try to make it very cheap and never expensive, but I also try to make it very crop diverse. I source out local materials and always think how I can make my meals healthier. This is one of the great opportunities during this global health concern. And when it comes to food, it's actually just simple, and that is to remember the basic lessons in grade school. Go, grow, and glow. Because there is no vaccine yet, and not even 1 million Filipinos had been tested for COVID-19. But we could try our bestest to make our bodies healthy. Every Aggie student actually learns about the 16 and I think now 19 essential elements for plant growth and development. But oddly enough, no one ever asked how many essential elements we need to be healthy and well-developed human beings. So I'm going to be showing and sharing with you some of my reinvented breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and appetizers. Maybe this can be useful for you and for every Aggie student. I think not only for the students but for every Aggie practitioner and moms basically and parents basically should be Aggie thinkers in a way. So this would be an example of my breakfast: oats with chia seeds and honey topped with crushed Oreo, diced mango, and a teaspoonful of peanut butter. is oats with chia seeds, brown sugar, and topped with slices of dragon fruit and banana. Another breakfast is oats with chia seeds, brown sugar, and topped with slices of Indian mango, papaya, and a teaspoonful of peanut butter. Example of my dinner: sautéed mixed veggies of tomato, garlic, red onion, carrots, delinum leaves, malunggay leaves, wild cucumber tops, with tendrils and green fruits, and with bits of fried fish. Example of my dinner is sautéed mixed veggies of potato, string beans, bamboo shoots, mushroom, green onion, and some bits of meat. Appetizer, you have shredded green mango, shredded pepino or cucumber, green and red onions, and my secret vinaigrette. Another dinner is prepared with fern salad and tomato, red onion, seedless pomelo, and my, of course, secret vinaigrette. For breakfast again, toasted sliced bread with cream cheese and peanut butter plus scrambled. This is wheat bread and sliced table banana for breakfast. This is for dinner: lettuce, carrots, cucumber, tomato, and my, again, secret vinaigrette. For breakfast, this is bread with cream cheese and peanut butter, mango, carrots, and a small slice of avocado float. For breakfast, bread with cream cheese and peanut butter, rambutan, cashew nuts, carrots, and papaya. Another breakfast with bread with cream cheese and egg with malunggay leaves powder, guyabano, carrots, and green tea. Actually, every morning I drink green tea. Another breakfast is fried saba, banana, carrots, and Indian mango with sautéed bones. This is blue rice, which is actually rice cooked using blue ternate tea with fried tilapia and radish. And this is sweet corn, leftover sautéed mixed vegetables, and green tea. For dinner, this is rice sprinkled with Japanese toppings of sliced seaweeds and salted egg, with fried daing with tomatoes, green tea, and, would you believe, buko for dinner. This is a very simple breakfast: mango, sweet potato, and chocolate drink with turmeric powder. And for dinner, sautéed veggies with sweet corn, sweet peas, tomato, garlic, red onion, and some bits of meat. For lunch, this was green and purple sweet potato tops salad with ginger, red onion, shredded cucumber, and vinegar, plus salt and sugar. Another lunch dish: sautéed veggies with kangkong leaves and stems, tomatoes, garlic, and tuna bits from a can. For breakfast, this is rice with pork chorizo and scrambled veggies from carrots, delinum leaves, lettuce, garlic, powdered malunggay leaves, and egg. And I think this is my last slide for a meal. This was my most recent post in my FB page. This is breakfast. I have 3 Oreos, the last bits, and some carrots and roasted cashew nut. Luckily, those are examples of my reinvented food, but I do have my cheat days. And often this would be on weekends when I go home. So we have our imperfections, but the most important thing is that we try. And reinventing food can be actually very exciting. It is an exercise of creativity and remembering some basic rules of chemistry. And that is to mix and match, because the more colorful, the better. The more diverse, the better. And it does not have to be expensive. So this is my last slide, and I'm just going to thank you for your support, to all the subscribers, and to whoever is watching this vlog or video. If you like it, please subscribe and click on the like button and also the notification bell. You may share it with your friends and on your page, And I'm just going to say thank you again. This is JoyBeans, and specifically your Sunday conversation with me, another conversation with joy. Good night, everyone, and have a wonderful work week ahead.